Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 07 July 2018, 00 of hour, 23 of minute and 19 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, can the bailiffs take my car? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about can the bailiffs take my car. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about can the bailiffs take my car. Bailiffs can include your vehicle in a controlled goods agreement, or they can tow away or clamp it. They can do this if your vehicle is parked at your home or on a public road. But they can't take your vehicle if it's parked on someone else's private land unless they have a court order allowing this. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.